So, public service announcement. Okay. I had one of my clients reach out to me and mention that Chase credit card that I gave them is now reporting on their personal credit. And I was like, the hell are you talking about? Okay, that doesn't happen. It's a business credit card. It does not report on personal credit. You do personally guarantee, but it doesn't report on the personal credit. We pulled their credit and I saw it on there. And I was like, oh, what the heck is going on? So I decided to do some Google searches, of course, to try to figure out what the heck is going on with Chase. This is a huge deal, especially for us in the credit card stacking space. This is huge, 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 huge news. Because if this happens, then this changes the game. You know, if you're aware about credit card stacking, some of the different benefits are, number one, the items don't report on your personal credit. They only report on the business credit. So it helps you basically build business credit. It protects your personal credit from high utilization. That item being reported on the business credit is huge. If it reports on the personal, because once you go out there and get a $50,000 Chase credit line and then you increase that balances, personal credit is not calculated the same way as business credit is calculated. This is huge deal. Huge deal if this is happening. And I'm hoping that this is absolutely not happening. There's this article that I saw. And based on what I'm seeing, I'm hoping this is some type of error and Chase will fix this. I know it has happened. So let me just correction. It has happened. I have one of my clients that I did pull their credit report and I did see the Chase account, business account that I opened for them a few years back being reported on their personal credit, which led me to, of course, go to my lucky little friend here called Google. And I saw this article, which is a very interesting article because not a lot of people are talking about this. You know, I went on here, I went to Chase and, you know, I just kind of scrolled down and everything. And some of these articles are old, but there's this really good article that I saw, this page, personal credit. And you know, there's people talking about this. Now, I will tell you this. Business credit cards, you are personally guaranteeing them. So in case of default, they can and will report to your personal credit, but only if you default on it. You know, if you don't default on it, it's supposed to put that clear separation where business credit is on business credit, personal credit is on personal credit. So this one of the articles that I saw that was pretty interesting was this one. You know, some Chase business credit cards are now reporting on the personal credit report. What the hell's going on? So business credit cards for most banks do not. The only bank that actually does this is Capital One, which I don't know what the hell's going on with them. Capital One. There's going to be another video we're going to talk about how Capital One is about to purchase Discover. You know, but Capital One was the only business credit card that reports to personal credit. Discover used to report, but Discover doesn't offer a business credit card anymore. But they used to have one. Now, and it did report to personal credit. But let's go ahead and read this article. Business credit cards from most banks do not report to personal credit. When you apply for business credit card, a hard inquiry will still likely show up on your personal credit because, yes, you're personally guaranteeing it. So they look at your personal credit to determine what you can qualify for, to look at your previous past unsecured credit history. But the account itself isn't reported on your consumer credit report agency by major credit banks. Sorry about that. Over the weekend, numerous reports began circulating about Chase business accounts being reported on consumer credit reporting agencies. At this point, it's unclear whether it's a change or policy or unintended change that can or will be resolved. And I was like, holy crap. You know, this is a huge deal. This changes the game. Chase is one of the, when you're doing credit card stacking, you got to do Chase. Chase, Amex, Truist, you know what I'm talking about. So Chase is a big factor. When you're talking about credit card stacking. About the data points in this, we also had a report on a frequent miler inside Facebook group from someone who said that they spoke with someone from executive office in Chase who said that this was a change coming in March 1st, whereby all Chase business credit cards will be reported to consumer credit reporting agency. The member of a group who reported speaking to someone high up claimed that this was an intentional decision that would retroactively report old accounts as of March 1st, 2025, and new accounts, their first statement date of after March 1st, 2025. I hope this is not true. I hope this is not true. Personally, I think this is far too early to know for sure happening. What's happening here, a number of comments I've seen indicate that this has happened. Now, it's an isolated instances. In the past has been possible to resolve with call the right department at Chase. This time around, it seems to be affected far more people that could indicate a policy change. Okay, this is shocking. I went down here and I read some of the comments. One of the comments I actually like, and I like it because it's hopeful. Okay, my Chase business credit card was reported on my personal credit report today, and my score dropped 47 points. This is the stuff I'm talking about because most likely that score dropped because of utilization. When you're talking about personal credit, utilization is a huge factor. Balances in relation to limits, and on the business side, the business side doesn't really evaluate business credit the way personal credit is evaluated. Um, so she said fix has been implemented since yesterday, 3/6, and may take up to 3 to 5 days. Said if you are in the middle of an escrow loan application, they can send your lender a letter via fax. Immediately, Chase. So immediately call Chase. And so it seems like this might have been a glitch based on what I'm reading. And what I want to do, if this has happened to you, you probably drop a comment below. Let's discuss this. Let's have kind of an open forum on what's going on here. They're also reporting wrong information too. They reported my credit limit with flex for business limit, which is $4,000, me instead of actual credit limit of $20,000 on my account, causing my score to plummet 100 points from apparently being over the limit. This is ridiculous. Now I have to waste time filing disputes with all the credit bureaus. This could cause a huge problem. This could cause a really huge problem. Like that gentleman said, what if you're in escrow and you're about to close on a loan or something like that, and then boom, your credit score dropped 100 points because this business credit card that you had on the business side, with a high balance, now it's affecting your personal credit, and it's not just affecting your utilization, but it could also affect your DTI, debt to income ratio, which is something that they look at in order for you to qualify for mortgages. Chase, get this stuff fixed. This is a huge, huge, huge deal that needs to be resolved as soon as possible. Unlimited showed them. Ink Unlimited from August 2005 recently showed up on my credit report. Ink Preferred, Cash, all not showing. Follow up with Chase and report back. Same insecure message. I'm securing the messenger. Just spoke with it. This is what I thought that was very hopeful. This was for somebody from 5 days ago. Just spoke with Chase rep. He immediately knew what I was talking about. He said it's a technical error. Thank you, Jesus. Chase is working on fixing this ASAP as soon as possible. Let me zoom in so you guys can kind of see what I'm reading here much better. It's a widespread issue. He said it was told that all accounts will be fixed within 30 days or sooner. Fortunately, I don't have any significant credit request needed for now. Also, I have no balance on the card, so it didn't impact my credit score. I feel bad for those poor souls in the middle of getting an important loan. Yes, this is a huge, 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 huge deal. Okay, there's loans that probably got denied because last minute underwriter is looking at the personal credit and your debt to income ratio isn't right. I opened a Chase in September 2024. It just got reported on my personal credit, so I got a hard inquiry on my Experian credit report, dropped 18 points. This is crazy, whatever. Should I call or wait 30 days? Thanks. Chase Inc. reported on my personal credit card. All three credit bureaus, I think we'll say. First, okay, I don't know. People need to learn how to write, okay? If you're going to be doing all these Twitter fingers on the internet, you need to learn how to write. Okay, they informed me that this was a glitch, so this is a good one. I'm loving this. So I'm hoping this is a glitch. They informed me this was a glitch, and they messed up. The agent even apologized, stating that they were aware of the issue, that it was not limited to my case. I opened my Chase business credit card several years ago, but unexpectedly it appeared on my personal credit report after February 27, 2025. Chase sent me a fax showing the message. I've redacted my information below. Okay, let's see what the hell they're talking about. Thank you for contacting us regarding your account listed above. We have reviewed your account and requested that the consumer reporting agency is removed from your credit report profile. We encourage you to review your credit report, confirm the agency have updated the credit records. If any of the agencies is still reporting account, please contact them directly. In my case, I called this number. So this is the number. I'll probably put it on the link below, or just go ahead and grab it from here. But I recommend checking with Chase Bank for the most updated phone number. Ask to speak with a credit report department. They do not have a direct line. If you're one of my clients and this has happened to you, feel free to reach out. We're offering free assistance to make sure that they get this corrected based on what I'm reading on here. It is something that with a simple dispute can expedite the removal of it. It seems like Chase will be requesting the removal of these accounts that they've reported on people's personal account, but that is a process that could take a while. So If this is something that has affected you, definitely reach out. Link in the description how you can schedule a time. But I wanted to make this quick update on what's going on with Chase. This is something that is crucial. And if this was a permanent change, which I'm glad based on the information that I'm seeing, it's not a permanent change. This could absolutely change the game when it comes to credit card stack. And but anyway, quick little short video, little public service announcement. I appreciate it. I'll see you in the next one. Anyway, if you've stayed with me through the end, I appreciate you. I really do. Please go ahead and give me a like to the video, subscribe to the channel. And I guess I should go ahead and pay some bills. Let you know what this video is brought to you by our sponsor, Broker Solutions Academy. There's going to be a link in the description. We work with people that are interested in becoming a business loan broker. We have a very comprehensive business loan broker course, and we're going to be teaching you everything you need to know about how to become a business loan broker. Our mission statement is we help business loan brokers understand and simplify the various funding solutions that are available in the marketplace so you can properly serve your clients, stop the endless confusion and self-defeating pointless rat race they're currently in, and grow their business while maximizing profits by teaching them how to become a real business loan broker, not just a referral partner. This video is also brought to you by Pennington Consulting Group, and that's where we work directly with entrepreneurs and also business owners to help them get funded. So if you're looking to start, grow, or even expand your current business, Pennington Consulting Group, there's going to be a link in the description where you can go ahead and schedule a time. And like we always say at Pennington Consulting Group, our goal is to help you reach your goal. Again, thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video.